Good morning, children. How are you? Definitely, I hope you all are fine. Today, we'll try to discuss some questions that already I have given to you in nutrition in plants. Some assignment question that I already given along with the notes. So today, we'll try to understand again. First question, the important question is, what is photosynthesis? Already I have explained to you, photosynthesis is what? That is a process by which green plants makes their own food with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, water, and the most important is carbon dioxide. So this is the process of making food by green plants. And what I have explained, for photosynthesis, we need carbon dioxide, we need water, and chlorophyll is present in the leaf, that is the green pigment, and we need we have to supply, or plant is taking sunlight, because without sunlight, the word photo is written, that's so without sunlight, this process is not possible. So it will form what? Food, that is glucose, and the most important gas, life supporting gas, that is oxygen. Clear, children? Understood? Now come to the next question, that what are the requirements? Second question already I have explained to you. Requirements already is clear from the first step question, that the first requirement is carbon dioxide, second requirement is water, third requirement you can see chlorophyll is a green pigment, and the fourth requirement, that is sunlight. So what we have explained in these two questions, that process of making food by green plants, that with the help of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight, plant produce food and oxygen. Come to the third question. What are the, you can see in this question also, that what are the basic product, what are the important things that release during this process. You can see that after this chemical reaction, biochemical reaction, the first thing is this is the main product. This is question number 3, main product, and this is your byproduct. So sometimes question is there, that what are the product obtained during process of photosynthesis. You can write this one. First is glucose, and that is the main product, and the second is your oxygen, that is a byproduct. Okay, children? Now come to the next question. Please note down, and then we'll come to the next question. Okay, written. Question number 4. These all are the important questions. Already I have given in your assignment. Try to do. Next is question number 4. Autotrophic differentiation. You have to do autotrophic and heterotrophic. So already I have explained to you autotrophic. And the second one, that is heterotrophic. What I have explained in the previous notes and also in video, that autotrophic means what? Auto means self-mode. Only green plants perform autotrophic mode of nutrition. Why? Because they are able to perform the process of photosynthesis. So autotrophic means what? The nutrition in which the green plants make their own food. They are self-dependent, they are producers. But what about in case of heterotrophic? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition means what? That is the dependence mode. They are depends on the others. They are not having capacity to make their own food, and that is the reason they depends on plants. They depends on producer, and they are not able to produce the food. That's why they are only having capacity to consume the food produced by autotrophic or autotrophs. That's why they are also called consumer. They are producers. Self mode of food making do not make food perform autotrophic. Already I have explained to you. Perform photosynthesis. Heterotrophic due to lack of chlorophyll. Whether they can? No. Do not perform photosynthesis. Like this, these all points you can use to differentiate them. Okay. Now come to the next question. These all are the important questions. Try to learn. Next question, assignment question I have given to you. That is variegated leaf. What do you mean by this variegated leaf? Actually, variegated leaf means what? That is such a, have you seen croton plant like this? The leaf is like this, and it is the pigment, chlorophyll pigment is not uniform in the entire portion of the leaf. Some portion, suppose this portion chlorophyll is there, this portion chlorophyll is there, this portion chlorophyll is there, this portion chlorophyll is there. Means a certain part of that leaf contains chlorophyll. Such type of leaf is called variegated leaf, and this already I have explained and already I have given some activity related questions. So variegated leaf means the leaf in which the chlorophyll contents are not uniform, present in a certain portion of the leaf. So such type of plant is leaf is called variegated leaf. Croton is a good example. Croton plant is having. Okay. The next question, we have to complete one equation is there, and now we have to complete. Suppose I have written here already. I have explained you in the previous question. Carbon dioxide plus water. Here is arrow, and the product is given glucose plus oxygen. So right now I explained to you for the process of photosynthesis what the basic requirement we need. In this question mark, what we have to write? Sunlight. And the next question mark we have to write chlorophyll. So if we will give chlorophyll and sunlight, and carbon dioxide is already plant is taking from the environment, water is absorbing from the roots, so it will perform the process of photosynthesis and will give glucose, and there will be release of oxygen. So this is also related to photosynthesis aspect. The next question is, what is the role of caustic potash in the experiment that shows the importance of CO2, carbon dioxide. We can write in this way, carbon dioxide. We have done through notes. We have completed the importance of carbon dioxide, because without carbon dioxide, the process of photosynthesis will not able to take place. So when we have performed this activity, importance of carbon dioxide, I think you have remembered about that we have kept caustic potash. What is the reason behind it? Actually, caustic potash, I am just showing you, then you will understand properly. I think we had already taken one potted plant, and this one of the leaf of this potted plant we have kept in a container, and this container that's closed, only the leaf we have kept inside, and here we have kept caustic potash in this container in which leaf we have inserted, that we have kept caustic potash. Why? What is the reason? Question is, what is the role of caustic potash? Actually, caustic potash is very important while we are performing this experiment or this activity, because the important role of caustic potash to absorb carbon dioxide. And if it absorbs the carbon dioxide, definitely the carbon dioxide which is not will be not available to this plant, and it will not perform the process of photosynthesis. So caustic potash we have kept inside in this only to show the importance of carbon dioxide, because caustic potash absorbs all the carbon dioxide and it will not perform the process of photosynthesis. That is the reason. Okay, now the next question. What happened to the green plant when it is put in the test tube with alcohol? So when we have performed the activity, I think green plant, this is our green plant. What here we have kept in one test tube, and in test tube alcohol was there, and this alcohol contained test tube. We have not heated directly. We kept on water bath in a test. In a beaker, water was there, water bath, and we have supplied heat from the down. Question is there that what happens when we'll supply heat, we'll boil the alcohol, not directly but indirectly. When we'll do in this way, the chlorophyll portion of this leaf will release out. So answer will be what? Chlorophyll portion will release out when we'll heat. So this way we have, or whatever the question during the notes I had given to you, that we have explained. So please take the help of this discussion and try to complete all the answer. And still if you have any doubt, you all feel free to call me, or you can say WhatsApp messages, and I always try to complete whatever the problem you have. Try to fulfill your doubts, try to solve your doubts. Okay, so note down, and this is try to draw everything you try to write in your copy properly. Thank you.